Master, I must apologize for the delay. I had a problem with the vacuum levitator.
Yeah? Well, if I catch you using that thing again, I'll have you converted into a blender, do you hear me?
You should try it, sir. It may help you relax.
Nah, fancy gadgets. What I need is a good old-fashioned holiday. Kind I used to go on when I was a kid. I know. Dig up all you can on roads. You know, Greece? I used to go there with the folks. Schedules, timetables, brochures, the lot, understand? And don't take so long about it, I want to be on that shuttle tomorrow, okay?
GX-1000, Operator Primo.
Welcome, Primo. How may I be of assistance?
As you know, I am now employed as an information and service droid. My responsibilities here now include information filtering and collation for Master, who has given me specific instructions. He wants to know everything there is to know about roads.
I store 3 million files relating to roads. Where would you like me to start?
Well, I'm not entirely sure. My master mentioned schedules, brochures. Oh dear, now I have to think. How many roads are there?
There are millions of roads still in existence on planet Earth today.
Oh dear, which one does he mean? What is roads? What's it made of?
The vast majority of roads still in existence were constructed with asphalt, essentially mixtures of aggregate, sand, filler, and bitumen. The longer-lasting, more durable, and safer roads were constructed from specific aggregate types and sizes, and special modified binders. It's basically these ones we still see today.
I hope this is right. Is Bitumen a holiday resort?
No. Bitumen is a natural derivative of crude oil and is a complex mixture of hydrocarbons. Although there are many crude oils, there are only a few that are suitable to produce bitumen.
So, who first used this bitumen?
It is not entirely certain, but it was first discovered seeping through the surface of the ground at geological faults. For over 5,000 years, bitumen, in one form or another, has been used as a waterproofing or a bonding agent.
Bonding agent? My master is single. You mean like a BC dating agency?
No.
Continue.
The process of mummification used by the Egyptians testifies to the preservative qualities of bitumen.
Sounds like useful stuff. So why use it in roads?
Say, what a beautiful day, Stanley.
Sure is, Ollie.
Why, even you look good today.
Well, thanks, Ollie.
In the 20th century, the introduction of the motor vehicle and its subsequent use by the general public created an ever-increasing traffic volume that threatened to break up roads built to 19th century standards. With this new, fast-paced society, the reliance on roads to transport not only people, but heavier and heavier goods, necessitated the development of bitumen technology.
They really had problems before the hyperdrive.
Well, that's another fine mess you got me into.
Sure is.
In the last 2 decades of the century, the emphasis placed upon performance led to extensive research into the polymer modification of bitumen.
Who was leading this research?
At the forefront of this research was a company called Shell Bitumen, who worked closely with their customers to provide solutions that would improve road performance. Making use of global and UK-focused research and development resources, they successfully combined compatible bitumen with modifiers. The level of commitment to the roads and construction industries was further demonstrated by their substantial investment in a dedicated polymer-modified bitumen plant within their Stanlow refinery complex.
What are these modifiers?
A wide variety of modifiers were being used worldwide. However, they generally fell into one of three families. Plastomeric polymers such as ethylene vinyl acetate, EVA, and polyethylene, PE, used primarily to increase the stiffness of the bitumen at in-service temperatures. Elastomeric polymers such as styrene-butadiene-styrene, SBS, which developed a three-dimensional structure in the bitumen, resulting in excellent elasticity and high cohesive strength, and bitumen modified by special refinery processing.
Why did they need to modify bitumen?
Bitumen behaves as an elastic solid at low temperatures and as a viscous fluid at high temperatures. It exhibits viscoelastic behavior between these two extremes. Bitumen modifiers increase the resistance of the asphalt to permanent deformation at high road temperatures, without adversely affecting the properties of the bitumen or asphalt at other temperatures. This was achieved by either stiffening the bitumen so that the total viscoelastic response of the asphalt was reduced, with a corresponding reduction in permanent strain, or by increasing the elastic component of the bitumen, thereby reducing the viscous component, which again resulted in a reduction in permanent strain.
Sounds very impressive, but I've seen some roads cracked. Why's that?
The major contribution to deformation or rutting occurred at high temperatures when the viscosity of the bitumen was relatively low. The viscosity of certain polymer-modified bitumens, such as Carifalt DM, was considerably greater at high temperatures than that of an unmodified binder, therefore giving rise to less deformation. The economic advantage of improving performance was considerable through longer pavement life or construction with thinner layers. Here we see a result of this in the laying of a new surfacing on a major motorway at the turn of the last millennium. And there were further benefits of using these advanced products. The new surfaces reduced noise emissions, improved driver safety by reducing spray in wet conditions, and minimized maintenance time and traffic delays owing to quicker installation.
I guess that Shell played an important part in the development of roads.
Yes, they worked closely with their customers to improve not only the quality of roads, but to provide the best solutions for a wide variety of applications, from airfields to car parks. Shell were also at the cutting edge in oil product, gas and renewable energy research, offering a multitude of high-quality energy solutions. They certainly paved the way for the development of the solar-powered transport of the early 21st century, the forerunner of the transport you all enjoy today.
Well, that's all been very useful. I'd like you to collate that information and send it to my master immediately. I shall wait for his response.
Primo, where the hell are you?
In the information center, sir. I trust you received the information you requested?
When I asked you to get me information on roads, I meant roads! As in the Greek island variety! Do you think I would want to go and relax on some road?
Well, I didn't think, sir.
No, it's obvious.
I must apologize for my ignorance, sir. It won't happen again.
That's right, Primo. It most certainly won't.
Oh dear.